That's real thunder. Everybody stay inside, please.
Tom, did you bring Rocky in yet?
He's fine outside, Mom, really.
Everyone inside! The storm's coming in fast!
This storm sounds so much worse than forecast.
The map! It's gone in the wind! I honestly can't tell which way we came.
Stay calm. We'll find the trail again.
Dad, are we actually lost right now? I'm really scared, Mom. Are we lost?
We'll be okay. I promise you that. Breakfast's ready. Come and eat before it's cold.
Look at him. He still remembers this route.
His fur's gone so gray since last summer. I love you so much, Rocky. Best friend ever. Do we really need to bring him today? Whoa, is that actually your dog? Yeah, that's Rocky. He's pretty old now. Seriously, Tom, isn't he basically ancient by now? Huh, yeah, he's pretty old. Whatever, guys. He's not really mine. He's just around. Rocky, don't listen to them. You're still perfect.
Let's pack the tents before it gets late. Check the ropes twice. Can't forget anything important.
I've packed enough sandwiches for the whole weekend.
Rocky's so excited! Look how fast he's running! I just hope nobody from school sees this. Can't believe we're camping with you this weekend!
We'll set up camp right here before dark.
Just stay here, boy. It's better this way. Sorry, Rocky. I'll come back soon, promise. Nobody has to know he's even here. Where's Rocky? I thought he came with us. He's fine, Lily. Let's set up the tents.
Lily, dinner's ready! Come to the fire! Everyone inside! The storm's coming in fast!
Tom, did you bring Rocky in yet?
He's fine outside, Mom, really. I can't sleep. I keep thinking about Rocky.
That's real thunder. Everybody stay inside, please.
This storm sounds so much worse than forecast.
No! The map! It's gone in the wind! I honestly can't tell which way we came.
Stay calm. We'll find the trail again.
Dad, are we actually lost right now?
It's getting darker. We should stay together closely.
There's no trail here. We've wandered off it.
No signal anywhere. My phone's completely useless here.
We'll walk uphill. Uphill usually leads somewhere safer.
I'm really scared, Mom. Are we lost?
We'll be okay. I promise you that.
Rocky's still tied up back at camp. I tied Rocky up. I never went back.
You left him tied up out there?
Alone? In this whole storm, Tom?
How could you leave him there, Tom? Why?
We'll deal with this later. Keep moving now.
I'm really disappointed, Tom. Rocky trusted you completely.
I just hope he's okay out there.
I keep imagining him stuck there.
We need to keep moving. Standing still won't help.
There has to be a path somewhere near.
I really hope Rocky finds us soon. I really need to find him and apologize.
Listen, did anyone else hear something moving?
Watch your step. These roots are really slippery.
Did you hear that? Something's moving over there.
The rain's picking up again. Stay close, everyone.
My legs are really tired now, Mom.
This is honestly all completely my own fault.
Did everyone hear that? That sounded like barking.
That's him! That's really Rocky's bark, Mom.
Rocky! You actually came all this way!
Thank goodness. We're all together again now.
I'm really, truly sorry, Rocky. I promise.
We missed you so much, Rocky.
He never once stopped looking for us. This trail's really narrow. Everyone stay close together.
Wait! The ground's actually moving under us!
I've got you. I won't let go.
Rocky's warning us. Something's wrong up ahead.
Everybody stop. Rocky's trying to tell us something.
Look at him. He's actually choosing a direction.
He picked that path. Let's trust him completely.
Stay right behind Rocky. He knows this ground.
Almost there, everyone. Rocky won't lead us wrong.
He hasn't stopped once, even though he's exhausted.
Did you hear that whistle? Someone's out there.
Spread out along the ridge trail immediately, everyone. We've had a family reported missing since yesterday.
That's a whistle! Someone's actually looking for us.
Go, Rocky!
He's coming back! I can hear voices too!
We're so glad we found you. We're safe now. I can finally breathe again. Here, wrap up warm. You've all done wonderfully.
Thank you so much. We truly owe you.
This dog led us right to you.
You saved us all, Rocky. Thank you.
Wait. I actually recognize this old dog. I actually have an old photo somewhere.
That's actually Rocky, years and years younger.
This dog rescued a lost child once before.
Rocky's been a hero this whole time.
He truly always has been, sweetheart.
I feel so ashamed of how I acted. Rocky, I need to tell you something important. I'm truly, deeply sorry for everything, Rocky. You forgive me? Even after everything I did?
I'm really proud of you, Tom, honestly.
That took real courage, son. I'm proud. I'm proud.
We're all together. That's what truly matters.
There, all clean now. You did wonderfully, boy.
I got you the softest bed available, Rocky. We heard Rocky actually rescued you all. This is Rocky. He's honestly my true hero.
Look at him go! He still got it!
Fetch it, Rocky! Show us what you've got!
That's the funniest thing I've seen all week.
Look at them. Everything's exactly as it should be.
True loyalty is measured by love, not appearance. If you enjoyed today's story, please subscribe and comment.
We read every comment. It means so much.